So, in our beginners class, so we're learning the song Hey Jude, the Beatles, and we're doing this song in the key of D. And we did some chord substitutions in class today to help make these chord transitions a little easier for you. And it's all happening on the bridge. This is a truncated version of the song, so we only do the bridge once. And these chord changes happen twice in the bridge. What I've got originally is a G, G major 7, E minor, G, and then a A7. So this is what we're changing it to. We've got our G, 1, 2. We've got our G major 7, 2. Now, instead of an E minor, we're doing an E minor 7, which means we're going to hold that G major 7 form, and we're just going to lift the middle finger like so. So you see we have got my index and my ring finger down like that. This is the E minor 7. It's also known as a G6. It's also Hawaiian G. And then we're supposed to go back to a G form, but we're just going to go back to the G major 7 form by putting my middle finger down the 2nd fret on the E string. So the progression is going to look like this. G, G major 7, E minor 7, G major 7, and A7. Let's just do it very slowly, just that bridge. 2, 3, 4. Pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world upon your shoulders. For well you know that it's a fool, G, who plays G major 7, E minor 7, G major 7, A7, a little cold. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3. Now another thing that makes that bridge tricky is there is one measure there that is not in 4/4 time. It is in 2/4 time. So instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, we're counting 1, 2. That's the way the Beatles wrote it. And it's the last line of the bridge. It's a D7 form. So you just go D7 and you're done with that measure. That's what's happening there. So this is a rock beat. You can hear what's happening with the drum machine. And I'm playing it very slowly, so it's much better to learn a song slowly and learn it right, and then start building the tempo. So we are going at 70 beats per minute with a rock groove pattern. Starting note is A. So, hey Jude, don't make it bad. So here's our beat. Let me start this. 1, 2, 3, hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart, then you can start to make it better. Hey Jude, don't be afraid. You were made to go out and get her. The minute you let her under your skin, then you begin to make it better. Anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world your shoulders. For well you know that it's a fool who plays it cool by making his world a little colder. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her under your skin. Then you'll begin to make it better, 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 better. Da 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 da. Hey Jude. Hey Jude, last time. Da 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 da. Hey Jude. And the strum pattern can be as simple as just strumming down on the beat like this, or doing an up, down, or down, up on each beat. So here's one strum down on each beat, and here is a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up on each beat. So it's down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you can just keep it that simple. Happy strumming.